Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
We are from group 4. My name is Ulfa Dwiyanti.
And my name is Suryati Rante Tiku.
Nur Rahmawati and Muhammad Fiki is permission. Okay. Today we will the
Experiment.
For the lesson 8. Do gas have weight? So this is the tool balloon.
Scissors. And this is the rope. And stative.
Okay. The first we will the meniup balloon. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Enough. So we want to the gantung in the stative.
Hanging.
Okay, this is the stranger
Ikat.
Bone.
yes, bone. This is stranger bone. And in this balloon, no stranger bone. And then you bone in the stative. Okay, you can see.
Okay, you can see the balloon. I think the stranger is
Go up in the stative, and in the stranger balloon is pulled down because the air of in this balloon full, and in the air of in this balloon
not full.
not full because it can out of the balloon.
So I think the air even the weight the weight in the balloon.
Okay.
Okay, I think enough the experiment. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, this time we will doing observation about the rusting metal, and we had acetic acid here,
We
and
fill
into
in
the
this,
breaker,
yes.
and then we had steel wool here, and then Erlenmeyer, paper towel, and a balloon. Okay, first time we will put the steel wool into the acetic acid to clean it. We clean it. Okay, after that, after we clean the steel wool with vinegar, we will dry it. Use paper towel, and we should dry it very thoroughly. Okay, we dry it until it's really dry. After we dry the steel wool, we will pull the strands apart to loosen them. Okay, after we strands the strands apart, we put it into the Erlenmeyer. Okay, now after that, we take the balloon and then stretch and deflate the balloon on over the top of the Erlenmeyer. Okay, like this. And then we observe for a few minutes and then see it, and we see what will happen into this flash. Okay, this is the result after we observe few minutes and nothing happened to the steel wool. You can see in this video. Okay, we will now doing experiment about the deflating balloon, and we have breaker here and fill it with the water about the half of the volume of the breaker, and then we have a funnel and a balloon. Okay, we will doing experiment now. Okay, we take the funnel and we insert into the breaker and we see what will happen. Okay, you can see that water will fill the funnel until it's filled with water. Yes.
Water, and the volume of this beaker is
Yeah, still
same.
500 milliliter.
Yes.
And now we repeat the process, but this time we will close the end of the funnel. You can see we close the end of the funnel with finger and we put again into the breaker with foot. Yeah, you can see what happened. Okay, you can see that the water now enter into the funnel and made a space in the funnel. You can see the volume of the water become almost 600 and make a space in the funnel. Okay, this time we will remove our finger. Okay, we remove our finger. You can see that the water fill again into the tunnel slowly. Okay, this time we will put a balloon into the end of the funnel like this. Okay, we make it tightly so the air or oxygen will not enter into the balloon. Okay, you can see we put a balloon on top the end of the funnel, and then we put this funnel into the breaker and see what happened to the balloon. Okay, you can see before the funnel insert into the breaker, balloon has no air or oxygen. Okay, after we put the funnel into the breaker, the balloon will fill with air. Okay, now we try to squeeze the balloon. Okay. Okay, this time we squeeze the balloon. Squeeze the balloon.
Yes. Whoa.
Oh, yeah. As you can see, we squeeze the balloon. The funnel is The funnel is floating on top the water. You can see. Squeeze, squeeze. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, we are from group 4. My name is Ulfa Dwiyanti.
And my name is Suryati and Tiku.
And my friend Nur Rahmawati and Muhammad Tiki is Malaysia. Okay, today we will the experiment lesson 10 about the does rusting need air. Actually, this is practicum. We will need the first pinset, scissor, clamp, spiritus, steel wool, and measure. Okay. The first we want to measure the steel wool. Okay, steel wool. The weight have to 3 grams.
Wow, what is this? Huh? Oh ya. Apa itu? Oh, 4. The weight
Okay.
is 4. Okay. And second, the work is 4. So the weight is same.
Okay, so we want to
Okay guys.
the burning.
Ini kok pakai jangan ini sudah dikasih istilahnya mampu.
Okay, the steel wool we to the burning until the corrosive.
Oke,
Okay, the steel wool.
masukkan terus cuci, terus tuh dikeringkan pakai ini. Terus dikeringkan pakai ini. Ya. Mau diangkat.
It's so small, but very.
Ini ketumpet airnya di dalam. Enggak apa-apa, jadi sini. Biar nih. Kalau sini, Ji. Oh. Kan sudahnya itu enggak boleh kasihnya siap. Bisa kalau sudah dikasih begini alat, bisa terus ini kasih nasi lagi. Ini taruh pasang di dalamnya. Baru kan bikin dulu tuh. Harian apa besok? Seperti ini? Iya. Cuma 3 minggu. Lebih makanya mungkin loh. Gimana tadi? Lebih. Saya mau berangkat. Sudah biasa lagi. Besok di depan lagi. Aneh semua.
Okay, remember the steel wool until the corrosive, the berkarat. It's a long time.
Yes.
Have to very long time to make the corrosive the steel wall. Okay, so you have to be patient.
Come here, come from and now we will to experiment about apa ya akhirnya gue harus memiliki pertama di sini
Okay, I think enough. Okay, the steel wool is finished to the binding. So we want to the measure.
Ini eksperimental.
Okay, the weight.
Iya, memang berarti ini seperti 90 juta ya.
Okay, the weight is 4 and it's same before and after, but you can see the steel will have the rusting or in bahasa berkarat because we have burn it, and in lesson 10 does rusting need air, and so we can say that in rusting need air to make the steel wool in rusting.
Okay, I think enough the experiment that rusting need air. So I think enough. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.